Welcome to my YouTube channel. Choose music to make an 8D sound effect. It would help if you had FL Studio software on your computer. I open FL Studio now. You see the interface of FL Studio. Click the playlist icon. See the playlist interface. Drag your audio to the FL Studio screen. Complete. Select the play mark line. Let's play. Pause this. Drag this marker in 0 points. Go to the mixer icon. Choose slot 1. Go to more plugins. Find the Ambeo Orbit plugin. Select this plugin. See the screen now. Play again. Select the point to move around and feel the 8D sound effect. The sound is moving around your earphone. Pause it again. Set point 0, then enter. Go to Tools. Click Last Tweaked. And create an automation clip. Close this Ambeo Orbit plugin. Close Mixer section also. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification of new informative videos in your device. See the song below in the playlist section. Cut the Ambeo Orbit graph in 4 lines. Delete the remaining part. Let's play again. Nothing changed. Go to Draw Tools. Move to top. Move to bottom. Listen again. Cool, and apply the orbit sound. Select the Paint tool. Select the Ambeo graph. Paste at the end of songs. Complete. Go to 0 points. Play again. Feel an 8D sound effect. Go to Mixer again. Select Ambeo slot. You can play and see the movement of audio. Pause and close. Click the slot 2. Find the Fruity Reverb 2 plugin. Listen again. Cool. Close. Close. Go to the file. Export to MP3 file. Type file name here. Choose the file destination in your PC. Save it. Start. Your audio is rendering now. Complete. Close FL Studio. Here is a converted 8D audio. Let's play. Excellent work. Thank you for watching it.